In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Sheets power user techniques to maximize productivity and analytical power. We'll move beyond basics into advanced formulas, automation with scripting, and smart interface habits that save time and reduce errors. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with advanced formulas and data manipulation. The query function is a game changer because it lets you analyze your sheet like a database. With a single formula, you can filter, sort, group, aggregate, and even pivot. For example, you might select a category column and sum a sales column, filter out non-positive values, group by the category, and sort by the total in descending order. The magic is that query recalculates as your data changes, so your analysis stays live without extra steps. When you're doing lookups, avoid relying solely on VLOOKUP. Index and match together are more flexible because they can return values to the left of your lookup column and won't break if you insert or delete columns. If your Sheets version supports it, XLOOKUP is even simpler and more robust than both, giving you exact matches by default and cleaner syntax. To scale your calculations, use ARRAYFORMULA. Instead of dragging a formula down thousands of rows, place a single ARRAYFORMULA in the header cell and let it automatically apply to the entire column, including new entries. This approach reduces manual work and often improves performance on large datasets. Power users also nest functions to handle complex logic in one place. A common pattern is wrapping a calculation with if and ISERROR to display a fallback when data is missing or lookup fails. You can also combine text functions inside logical tests to standardize or validate inputs before processing them. Now, automation with Google Apps Script takes you to the next level. Use scripts to clean data automatically, remove duplicates, trim whitespace, and standardize date formats. You can run these on a schedule or attach them to a custom menu for one-click cleanup. If your workflow needs logic not covered by built-in functions, create custom functions you can call directly in cells. And when you need external data, integrate with APIs so Sheets can pull in metrics from services like analytics tools or project boards without manual copying. Finally, boost efficiency with interface techniques. Named ranges make your formulas easier to read and maintain, since you reference sales_data instead of cryptic coordinates. Learn keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl or CMD plus Enter to fill multiple selected cells, and Ctrl or CMD plus Shift plus V to paste values only. Use custom filter views to sort or filter your data without affecting collaborators, and protect critical sheets or cells to prevent accidental edits. For quick visuals, the REPT function lets you repeat characters to create simple in-cell bar charts, offering immediate comparisons without opening the chart editor. Practice these techniques together, and your spreadsheets will become faster, cleaner, and far more powerful. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.